Hey, good morning. I'll be talking about breakfast and I've talked about eggs so many times online, and I've said that protein is good for you and eggs are not bad for you. I will discourage you about taking cereals. Cereals for breakfast is a no-no. Carbs for breakfast is a no-no. Bread for breakfast is a no-no. So I want to typically take you through how the breakfast should be, like my own kind of breakfast. And it's eggs, purely eggs. Now, what good with eggs is that they are, if you eat it in one particular way, like the normal Nigerian style where you whisk eggs and fry, it can be very boring and tiring. So you have to do it in several other ways that you can enjoy. Generally, I do my eggs with coffee. I take my eggs with coffee, and of course, usually my coffee is finished. I'm going to grind some, and I use Raymond's coffee from my friend Dave Wash. So I don't buy the whole grinded coffee. I buy Fagabi, and I grind some water for the days in the coffee laser, and I'm going to blend the coffee bean. This is dark roast and older, and dark roast is not as strong as light roast. So no need to grind the beans to go soft. So okay, and check if the I think the coffee beans is ready. Now I don't fry every beans for breakfast because the ones I have is already finished. That's why I'm blinding it today. The emphasis today is not coffee. I've already done a video on coffee before. That was a long time ago. And if you want to buy coffee beans, especially they, Raymond's coffee is the best. I've tried to buy the foreign beans, that sometimes because of the long stay on the sea and transportation, I don't know, it doesn't come as good as coffee beans. Now, my emphasis here is on eggs, and I'm going to show you how. My friend Pine is there. Now, remember that I've been making emphasis on using butter or animal fat like tallow. Tallow is from cow fat, and I have my butter here. This is from cow fat, and I'll cut a piece of the butter, something like this, and put it in the fire so that it melts. Now, seed oils I no, groundnut oil, soya oil, canola oil, sunflower oil I no. I don't take them in my meals. If you are here in this country and you want to use oil, you better use either palm oil, olive oil, tea oil, coconut oil. Those are the oils that are healthy for you. Avocado oil, so it's also good. So you try to melt your butter. It's healthy. It's not cheap, but it's healthy. If you don't want to spend money on your health, you spend money to buy drugs. So I rather spend money to eat healthy than to take drugs. So this has been, I've been trying to eat healthy for many years, that I'm taking it to another level this year, and I'm not going to go back. So my butter is melting, and I have my eggs here. I have my eggs here. These are 10 eggs, and I'm going to eat the whole time. Okay, my butter is almost ready. It's melted. It's ready for the eggs. I think the fire is too much. I reduce it a little bit, and my eggs are here. You don't always have to whisk your eggs. Okay, all 10 eggs are there. Yeah, you can cover your pan and just wait a little bit. Oivo style, they don't allow the eggs to cook half done. Yes, and some of the eggs, I can't stomach that yet. But I don't cook my eggs all cooked. A little bit cooked. They're getting ready, and I have my Himalayan pig salt. It's healthy. It's not processed. So I just put the salt. I don't mind powdered pepper. I powdered pepper here, and I sprinkle a little bit of powdered pepper bits, and I just wait. I don't like them too cooked, so and it doesn't have to be fried. It's not like scrambled eggs, but I will usually turn mine a little bit. Turn it. For me, the eggs are ready. Let me pick my plates. Oh, what I would have been doing is to be doing my coffee when the eggs are on. So since I didn't do that, I will show you how to do my coffee. I use the Italian mocha pot. This is the Italian mocha pot. And where's my coffee? My coffee is here. And there's a bowl on the Italian mocha pot. Pour my water at the Italian mocha pot. And you make sure the water is not above the point. This point here. This point here. Water is not above that point. And put this in it. And because I don't want the coffee to be too strong, just want something light, I'll just use like a full cook scoop, a teaspoon, and another one. That's okay. In those days, I used to take like 3 or 4 scoops. When I'm taking tea, it's easy. So I cover my Italian mocha pot. Okay, so we're on the fire, and I wait for it to get ready. While it's getting ready, so those are the eggs. They're there. Hot. So I've not drunk water today, so I will drink water. My apple cider vinegar with mother. I pour a cup of apple cider vinegar, the cup full, put it in water. Sometimes I use 2. I will write about apple cider vinegar. I think I've eaten something about it before, but I'm not sure again, so I will write something again on apple cider vinegar and what it does to your body. That my water is ready to drink and is ready. I will pour it in my special gift cup that somebody gave to me on my birthday. Now look at the cup. It's black, but it will show you some magic. I hope it's still working. Yeah, it's changing. Come closer, come closer, come closer. Changing, changing, changing. Color is changing. You know. So my eggs are ready and my coffee is ready. So it's time to eat. Thank you. God bless you. I'm the Shepherd Loho-u-Ter Shadrach, and I strive to be good thrive.